Hey, we're recording. This is a segment called Good Helium Gone Bad.
Wait, yeah, it's working. Go, Hannah! Hey, my name is Hannah, and I just sucked on helium. It's so fun. And yeah! Okay, it's Andrea's turn. Whoa.
My mommy's gonna be mad at me.
Here! Oh, well. Oh! It wore off. Alright. Andrea's turn! My mommy doesn't know about this, so don't tell her. I love helium. Helium is so fun.
I wanna touch it.
Okay, this isn't working.
Okay.
I didn't have many. I didn't have much.
Save a little bit.
Hey, Michael.
Hey, wait, yeah, it's working.
You're gonna let it all go.
Ah, it didn't work.
Yay, helium buddies.